I've got a 2006 Harley-Davidson Dyna Lowrider that I had put LEDs on just to have a little glow going down the street when it's dark, because I do like to be seen. So I put these on, but they were draining power from the battery even when the engine was turned off and lights were turned off and everything. So I bought a kill switch that I installed with minimal effort to turn the lights on and off by just killing the electricity draw coming to and from. So I needed very little tools to do this, and it helped magically. The electrical tape, Phillips head screwdriver, and some wire strippers along with some electrical wire. And the video I'm showing a black wire, but I chose red because it is coming from the positive side of the battery and connecting to the positive side of the lights. Now, the kill switch that I bought, I got for about $5 from Walmart. It's just a simple on-off. You got two prongs there. That's all that's involved. So I did put it inside a plastic container, but I did spray paint it to match up with the battery cover, and it works perfectly fine now. I no longer have parasitic draw coming from my lights or battery, so my battery stays charged up well, and I'm always good to go.